Hi, today I'm part of the Motorola Moto G53 and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant by press and hold to the power key button on this device. So if you want to use the Google Assistant by press and hold to the power key, you should first open the settings and scroll to the gesture section. Then click here press and hold power button. And now just you should use this switcher to turn on this option, as here you can change press and hold duration. For example, let's use the middle one. Now just press and hold to the power key and we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. To turn it off, you should just click here to this power key button and we can see that just we use here the power off menu. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.